Hey y'all, this is your girl Brandy coming to you with another wait a minute, not another 50 Shades of Red lipstick, but I just had to get on here and show y'all this product. So this product that I'm going to be showcasing is actually from a Black skincare owned company, and also she's a makeup artist. I had to display all of this stuff because as I got my package in the mail, I started to open it and I was like, y'all need to see this packaging. It's amazing. So I haven't even opened up the box yet fully because I wanted to unbox everything in front of y'all. The name of this company is, it's owned by a woman named Lynn, which I had the pleasure of talking to over the phone. She is amazing. Also, the name of her company is called Sydoni Skincare and Beauty. So she specializes in skincare and she's in business with her three daughters, and she also does makeup. And so she did a segment as a guest as a part of Project Beauty's Good Vibe series, and she talked nothing but skincare, and I was all in because skincare actually was the one thing that really got me into makeup because I wanted this bomb flawless looking skin or flawless looking makeup, and come to find out I needed to have a skincare routine. I was like, say what? Girl, bye. Okay, so anyways, I bought 4 different products from her. It came in a brown regular shipping box, but the box that was in it was super cute. So I got the vitamin C cleanser, the refreshing cloud cream, vitamin C night cream, and the vitamin C serum, sorry. All right, so, and then I originally ordered from her her buy one get one free during the week of National Lipstick a lipstick day or lipstick week, whatever. A lot of companies were doing buy one get one free on their lipstick, so I actually bought some of her matte lipstick as well. So we're just gonna go through and open up this package because I just felt like y'all needed to see it. All right, so this is the box that it came in. Super cute. It has a sticker with her you know, logo sticker or whatnot. Just super cute, but it's the stuff that is actually in it. So we're gonna open this up. So first off, this is what stopped me right in my tracks because I was like, say no more. I've purchased many types of skincare products and I've never had this much thoughtfulness into the box. So first off, when you open up this little bag, I thought this was my lipstick. That's a negative. Let me show you. Right here, you get the cutest little, you know, little, you know, hand towel or whatever. Hand towel, microfiber. Oh, it looks like a microfiber towel. Okay, let me see. Let me open this up real quick. Let's see here. And there's a little, oh, okay. It says complimentary, enjoy this soft and absorbent microfiber face towel and hair tie when using your Sydoni skincare products. Stay beautiful. That is awesome. I mean, you talk about customer service. So I didn't even know this was a hair tie. So she puts a hair tie, and then of course you have your little towel. Oh, okay. Like that is like spa treatment in a box. Okay, came in this little satin liner little baggie. So anyways, everything is packaged with the little sticker. So I'm just gonna, you know, unravel all of this stuff. So this is, you're actually getting my first impressions of all of this because this is my first time opening it, as you can see. All right, so everything is perfectly wrapped. So talk about customer service. Like this is amazing, like to make sure all your stuff is not, you know, because they're skincare products. I mean, this is so super cute. It's not even, it's just so crazy. Okay, all right, and then here is my night cream. All right, so I'm just throwing that stuff on the floor. All right, so I'm gonna open up my other stuff. Now, something that Lynn did tell me is that she gave me some little extra something because a part of my 50 Shades of Red lipstick. So I have 3 additional lipsticks that she provided to me. So thank you so much, Lynn. I really do appreciate that. And of course, y'all know I will show y'all all these lip colors soon enough. All right, anyways, let's go through this because I do not want to make this like a super duper long video. But I mean, the packaging is just so like, okay, so this is just amazing. I am just super impressed with how much she really cares. So this is the cleanser, how much thoughtfulness you can tell that was put into packaging all of this after we had a long conversation about what should I what should I buy. So here is the last one. Oh my gosh, yes. And these are my matte lipsticks that I purchased. So super cute packaging. I like it. It's very sophisticated. So that's what it looks like. Super cute. Let's see, let's just open it up real quick. So it comes with a lip liner. I am so excited. So it comes with a lip liner and the lipstick. Y'all know your girl is like a super matte diva. So I bought 2 different types of reds, and then in my packaging, of course, she included, you know, the 3 little, these are part of her satin lipstick. Man, this is heavy. Woo! Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh. People, I cannot wait. Okay, so that's one. That is, let's see here, Valentina. Sassy. This is Ava. Ooh, Ava. Look at that deep red. Love that. I love a good lipstick. Just love a good red lipstick, y'all. Okay, and then this is Rebellious Red. And these are a part of her cream lipstick. So that's a different type of red. It has a little bit, I can see a little hint of orange, which is cool. All right, so that is it, everyone. I really just wanted to showcase the packaging and the thoughtfulness that I felt like Lynn provided. It looks so sophisticated, and I feel like that you're getting a spa in a box. So there you go. That is my new little video, and of course this week y'all will get a 50 shade of red lipstick look. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.